We will practice a full body strength flow today. This will allow you to build strength in your legs, in your abdomen, and in your arms and shoulders. This will also allow you to prepare for further, more advanced asanas. So let us begin on the top of our mat. We will begin with Utkatasana, chair pose. So sit back like you sit in a chair. Knees are together, feet are together. And raise your arms. Please note that the knees should not be in front of your toes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale completely. With your inhale, come back up. Inhale, raise your arms up, look up. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, tabletop pose. Back is elongated. Exhale, step your feet back. And we will take Chaturanga, modified. So go down like you go in a push-up. Keep your elbows close to you. Inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bring your drishti to your navel and we will take 5 breaths. With your inhale, step between your hands and come to tabletop. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, raise your arms, look up. Stretch your abdomen. Exhale, Samasthiti. With your next inhale, come into chair pose just like we learned. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, bring your hands to the mat, step back, and we'll take modified Chaturanga. Keep pulling in your belly as you go down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step your right foot between your hands. Left foot comes at a 60-degree angle. And with your inhale, come up to Veerbhadrasana 1. Warrior 1. Exhale. Step back and we will take modified Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Knees are lifted off the mat. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left foot steps between your hands. Right foot comes at an angle. With your inhale, come up to warrior. Exhale, step back. Keep pulling in the belly. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bring your drishti to your navel and take 5 breaths. Inhale, step up, Urdhva. tabletop pose. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, chair pose once again. Exhale, Samastitihi. From here, lift your right knee up and make circles with your right foot. Reverse. Now step the right foot back and come into a lunge. So the back toes are tucked. Now with your inhale, raise your arms up. With your exhale, plant the right foot on the mat and open up the arms in Warrior 2, Veerbhadrasana 2. With your inhale, come back up again in Veer 1. Back foot is lifted off the mat. Exhale, Veerbhadrasana 2. You're building lots of strength in your legs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Open up to Veer. Now the right hand comes onto your back thigh and left arm goes over and above in Peaceful Warrior. Drishti towards the sky. Come back to Veer 2 and step up to the top of your mat. Well done, everyone. Take a couple of breaths. Bring your hands in front of your heart center and let us raise the left knee this time and make circles with the left foot. Reverse. Now gently step the left foot towards the back of the mat. With your inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, open up to Veer 2. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, open up. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Now bring your left hand onto your back thigh. Right arm opens towards the sky. Peaceful Warrior. Drishti towards the sky. Open up once again and step up to the top of the mat. Once more, raise your arms up, stretch your abdomen, stretch your arms. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, tabletop, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, step back and come into plank pose. Now here, keep pulling in your belly. You can keep a mild bent in the elbows if required. But don't round your shoulders. Elongate your spine here. Keep pulling in your core. And now bring your right knee to your right elbow. Take it back. Inhale, left knee to left elbow. Right side. Left. Inhale, right side. Exhale, release. Inhale, left side. Exhale, release. Right. Left. I'm sure your abdomen is burning, and that's exactly what we want. Keep going. Last one. Right side. Left. Well done. Open your knees mat distance apart, big toes touching, and you can take a rest in child's pose. Extend the arms and breathe deeply. Very nice. Come back up, and this time bring your elbows onto the mat, clasp your hands together, and we will raise the hips behind us in Katur Asana, dolphin pose. So you can be on the tips of your toes, raising the hips above. Become comfortable here. You're building lots of strength in your shoulders, in your upper arms. Now with your inhale, come up to elbow plank. And with your exhale, go into dolphin, Katur Asana. Inhale, elbow plank. Exhale, dolphin. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. And release. Bring your knees onto the mat and lie down on your back. Extend your arms onto the side. Bring your right leg over the left in eagle legs. Take your legs towards the left. Your drishti goes towards the right. Both the shoulders are on the mat. You take a twist just to relax the body. Come back to center. Left leg over right. Take the legs towards the right side. Drishti towards the left. Breathe. Breathe deeply. Release. Lie down in Shavasana. Leave the body absolutely loose and absorb the nutrients of your practice. Have a wonderful day ahead. Hare Krishna.